What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JR here. We are back with another video, and as you can tell from the title of the thumbnail, today we will be getting rid of this here fender tail. It's another one of those little small mods that I wanted to get done on the bike, and we're gonna go ahead on and take this thing off, and we are going to put on this new Rage Cycles fender eliminator here, and it's gonna be replacing the turn signals. It's gonna have it so that the license plate can either be tucked if I want it, or it can just be sitting out straight. You know, we can make sure that we're not doing anything illegal. So it's a pretty simple install. Everything is pretty much plug and play, as you can see. It's not really a lot that's gonna have to go into it. So you have a set of Allen keys and 10 millimeters. You know, it comes with all the bolts and well, pretty much Allen keys and things that you need right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this install. So first thing that we'll have to do is, of course, take the seat off, take the couch off, and from there we will be taking out this part here. So let's go ahead and take that off, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we have the seat off and everything. Now what we're gonna have to do is take an Allen wrench, unscrew these four right here, and also disconnect these three cables right here, which should just go ahead and release this whole thing. Just be able to go and snatch that. All right, guys, so we have the tail snatched out. Now what I've done is basically went ahead and started mounting the bracket on the bottom. So what I'm doing here is I fed the wires through the top over here, pull them all the way through so they're just sitting there flush, and the four Allen screws that they give you, I started bolting those in from the bottom. Now it does come with these little bushings here, spacers. So basically you put these in between this little slot right here to give the wires just a little bit of room to breathe, so you won't be like cutting them off and you won't fray them or whatnot. So when you put these in, you put these in between the Allen screws right here, and then you put the nut, screw it in right up top here. Make sure you have all your wires fed through. And I'm still trying to debate on whether or not I want to put this on this side right here, or if I want to go on the two bolts on the top here. But I think I'm just going to go right here on the bottom. I think that's probably going to be the better look. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'm gonna have to take these damn screws out and put them back in again. But I'm gonna come back with y'all and yeah, let you see the finished product and everything. So, and try these lights out too and make sure that they're right. All right, guys, so we have the bracket and everything attached the way it should be attached. Now we're gonna take a look at these lights and make sure that everything is working. So let's see, turn it on. LED light for the tail. The LED light is working for the tag light. The tag light LED is working. Left turn signal, good. Right turn signal, and we good. Okay, so everything looks to be working pretty good. Coming from the back here, you can see it. Man, I ain't gonna lie, that thing kind of concerning me. I'm gonna have to put my tag up there and see for sure if to make sure that it's still visible the way it needs to be. But everything is up there the way it's supposed to be up there. So let's go ahead and close this thing up and get out of here, and I'll let you know where you can get it from. All right, guys, so we have got the NRC Fender Eliminator put on, everything put back together. Makes the bike look a whole lot better just from having you know, that whole tail eliminated up there. So that's pretty much it, man. So if y'all interested in getting this, I'll leave a link in the description. If you use the link in the description, man, you'll be helping out the channel a little bit, you know. So help your boy out, click the link and go and purchase you one. You can find it for $150, like $150. Depending on when you click the link, you may get a few dollars off extra. So yeah, if you're interested, go and click that link and support the channel. All right, YouTube, what's going on, boys? Your boy JR. We are back with another video, and if my watch keeps on touching the glove and trying to turn off the water lock, I'm gonna slap it. Anyway, as you can see, it is dark outside. We are about to head home, just leaving the gym. Technically, this is kind of a first night ride. So yeah, let's get ready to head on back to the house. It's gonna be a quick video, man, but I don't see night riding being too different. Only thing is, just trying to make sure that we hold on. One thing I gotta see first, real quick, man. You know, we changed out the Fender Eliminator here. Put the Fender Eliminator on it. Yes, sir. Tag is showing. Looks good. What was that, gum? No. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, man. You can see that tag. That ain't tough. You can see that real nice. All right, man. Let's get ready to get out of here. Get on back to the crib. Get some rest. Get the next day started. Shouldn't be too crazy, but here we go. I got another mod that I want to do to this bike, just so that you know, people will see more of me. Wait for this truck to come right here because he don't care. Look at him looking at his phone. Get off the phone! God damn it! Get on my damn nerves. Man, people just don't care, man. All right. I don't know how this is gonna work out because I'm on a bike and I don't know if it's gonna recognize me, but hopefully it does. I don't want to be here forever. Well, we'll see. Oh, it did it! Yay! All right, here we go. Oh, this is great. Feels so good. Visor down. Yeah, riding at night is different. Headlight looks headlight look crazy, man. Both of them. I don't know if I need to line them up or what. I don't have the brights on. I don't want to put the brights on because I ain't trying to blind oncoming drivers, but I have heard that it is good to turn those on and let that ring. But yeah, one of the mods that I had actually wanted to do to this bike was put some LED lights on it. Just let it shine a little bit, you know, give some people something to see. I want to stand out at night a little bit, man, so just another little safety measure or whatever. Let's pick it up some. Yeah, but riding at night is different. I think one of my greatest fears about riding at night, especially in the area that I live in, this is a wooded area. I mean, I have deer pass through my yard all the time, so I know that they're out here. And I think that's my thing. Not so much the other cars, but other animals, and just trying to keep my head on the swivel as far as that. So yeah, weather's real nice out tonight. It feels good, but so far so good, man. Oh, it's amazing. Definitely got to make sure you keep your visor clean when you're out here doing this. Ended up putting the stock mirrors back on because the stealth mirrors, you know, it was just, oh, that was a big ass bug. Oh, new fear unlocked. Yeah, I changed the mirrors back, put my stock mirrors back on. These work a whole lot better. A lot of y'all said, you know, that the stealth mirrors are not safe, so don't do them, don't use them. So I ended up changing them back, which is cool with me. I mean, I prefer to see out of my mirrors and see in the back and on my sides, as opposed to, you know, as opposed to, I don't know, looking cool or whatever. Yeah, I feel like this car is on my ass, man. It probably is. Because I know my headlight ain't shining this bright.
But yeah, so riding that night, it's supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be cool. Hopefully I get more comfortable with this. I think in the daytime I'm pretty good in the daytime. Get this quick stopping right. If you get off my ass, golly. Back up, motherfucker. Damn. I don't even know who this is, man. But I just feel like they're extremely close. See, this is why you ride like you're a ghost, like no one sees you, because it's like they don't. Would you be up this close on a car? Oh, so annoying. That car ran the light. Ain't nobody got time for this shit, man. This is why I think some riders ride the way that they do. It's because people don't respect, you know, motorcyclists as like real vehicles. So I'm glad I got this M4 exhaust so people can hear me. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna develop some real rider, some habits. Make sure they see me. If somebody hit me, I'm gonna be pissed. Ooh, my energy just turned. Damn it, I'm mad. Get off my ass. Anyway, man. So, technically my first night ride. I say technically because the first ride that y'all saw in the first video, I did ride at night and it was raining. But my audio was so jacked up that I couldn't even post it. I was very proud of myself, but this is what it is. This is where we are. Riding at night, I feel like it's great, but man, it's just the whole deer thing that bothers me. I don't know why. And other cars too, yeah. So I'm gonna continue modding this car just like I did my Challenger. You know, put some things up here to help me stand out a little bit more, just so I can make sure that people see me. I ain't got time for all this shit, man. Yeah, buddy. Is this that same car behind me? I don't know. Is it my mirrors that's making them look closer? Or what? It might be. Hell. I ain't trying to cuss nobody out for nothing, but damn. Riding like I'm riding Miss Daisy either, though, you know. I'm gonna ride like a ghost. I'm gonna ride like a ghost. Ooh, Ghost. Would that be a nice name? Do you like that? Do you like that? I'm rubbing the tank, y'all. Y'all can't see it. Anyway. Hope y'all liked the video, man. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Oh, that was a bug on my knee, and I'm gonna have to wash these jeans. So, give me some tips down in the comment section. Some safety tips, things I should do to improve my safety. You know, things that I shouldn't do that you may have seen in this video. Well, anyway, I'm gonna holler at y'all the next one, man. It's your boy JR. Y'all take it easy. Ride safe. Peace.